It's Friday night, nowhere to go to. Get yourself all fancy dressed. Tonight is the night to look your best, so see you at the dance tonight. So come on, mate, time to go home now. Get yourself all fancy dressed. Tonight is the night to look your best, so see you at the dance tonight. Huh? Okay, we are going to pick up the bicycle from the bicycle shop. That'll be fun, won't it, boys and girls?
No boys.
No boys. Yeah, I mean, again, it's a trip to the bike shop, which is not the same as a bike shop in London or the States or wherever. It's particularly unique, an Indian bike shop. It's not like, you know, Halfords in the UK or, you know, whatever bike shops there are in the UK. I've forgotten now. Well, they're all crystal clean and brand new bikes everywhere. So yeah, it'll be hopefully something different. I know you guys like authentic India, so it's a trip to the bike shop. So we had two bikes at the house that we got that were already at the house. A big bike and a small bike. They were in a bit of disrepair, to be honest, like really needing a lot of work. So the guy kind of did a complete makeover for the big bike, which that, you know, that was quite a lot of work. It only cost 2,000 rupees. I keep thinking about pounds, but that probably would have cost, yeah, it would have cost loads more in England. And you'll go there with a puncture and he'll just stop everything and take the bike and fix the puncture right there and then. You know, you don't have to leave it in and come back next week. This time I had to leave it because he was busy, but normally when there's two of them there, they will just do it like right on the spot. And I think fixing a puncture is like, the tube is 250 rupees and it's like 50 rupees, you know, labor or whatever, so it's really kind of not a huge amount of money. So we'll see you in the bike shop in a moment. Okay, we are now at the bike shop. If you're ever in Puttankurish, which of course you're going to be loads, then come to this bike shop and they'll look after you. Let me show you. Hopefully he's done it. Your foot's under my foot, that's always a good idea. Yeah, so how's it going? Good. Here's the man. Here's the man that does the bikes. He fixes all the bikes. Oh, he's doing it now. He's doing it as we speak. He is doing the tube. Is there a hole in there? Hole? Yeah. Ah. Well, there's a hole in. Okay, so we need new tube. Yeah, new one. Yeah. Yeah, new one. Yeah. Change. Hmm? Do you understand? Yeah. Change it. Can you say to change it in Malayalam? New one. Yeah. Okay. Great. Yeah. Yeah, I think I did that and that worked. As you can see here, interesting, like all the parts he has, all the parts for the bikes. He just has a great big, like, loads and loads of pieces everywhere. Like, you can see all the screws that we normally throw away. He's got loads of screws and loads of, like, bits and pieces everywhere that he does. Now he's doing he's changing the,
I think I can see something that I could use to learn how to ride a bike.
Oh yeah? Okay, go have a look at the bikes. So the man's changing the tire now that the inner tube was broken, and that's it. So I've just noticed they have got new bikes here. I'm gonna have to ask the cost. It's a selection of new bikes. I never noticed. I just saw the old bikes. I thought it was just an old bike repair shop, but it's not. It's got loads of bikes around. Yeah, hold on, I'm just doing a video. You have to wait for me. She obviously wants a bike right now. This one. She's looking at the bikes. We were looking for a tricycle. But now, hello. So that's the man, that's the owner of the bike shop just there, probably going to get a cup of tea. I think they do sewing machines as well. I'm a bit of a singer myself, singergram.com. Well, they have singers here as well, look. Singer as in the stitching variety, the sewing machine singer, ha ha ha. Let's have a look here. He's doing some repairs of sewing machines. But if he gets tired of doing the sewing machines, he can always... Sorry, the dad jokes are the best, aren't they? I know you guys love the dad jokes. That's why I keep putting them into my videos. You like the great puns, I know. Don't go too far, guys. So it's an evening in Puchinkurish. This is the bike shop. Just, random piles of wood on the road. I don't know what that's for. Quite interesting, Never a dull moment, is there, If you want to grab a few logs, there you go. There's the all fresh there. I don't know whether you can get that. You can always wander around and get a cup of chai. If you want, just grab a banana.
Mommy was asking for muskmelon.
Mommy was asking for marshmallows. Marshmallows?
Muskmelon.
Marshmallow? Oh, you mean cantaloupe melon?
No, muskmelon.
Musk melon. Musk is an aftershave, girl. Musk melon? Are you sure? A type of melon?
Yeah.
I can't see any musk melon anywhere. You can have tea if you want. You can have a cup of tea, cup of chai. People having their chai on a Friday evening. Stay here. Bikes everywhere. There's bikes everywhere. You have to be careful of the children. See? They come running through from everywhere. You have to be careful where you go, okay? Okay? I've just spotted a brand new auto. Look. Brand spanking new. Oh, sorry about that. Thanks for the laugh. Brand spanking new. Even got the plastic on. The old Indian tradition of keeping plastic on. They love keeping plastic on until it's like 50 years old. It's still got the brand new plastic. I don't understand why, but that's just the way it happens. Even if it's torn, they still keep the plastic on. Have you noticed that? I don't know why. Maybe one day I'll find out. Yeah. Okay, we've seen a bike that Shayanna likes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask if they can sell it to us and then buy it back after a year, because there's no point. I'm very shiny, aren't I? There's no point in us buying a bike and then, well, we can give it away, but I'd rather sell it back to him. So I'm going to ask him whether he can do that and see what happens. Are they cooking something here? Look. What's this called? What's this one?
Egg bhaji.
Huh?
Egg bhaji.
Egg bhaji. Egg bhaji. Egg bhaji.
Bhaji.
Ah, is it onion bhaji?
No,
Egg bhaji. Really? Nice. Looks good, doesn't it, guys? We just had dinner. We're not having them, but that's egg bhaji. That's good.
Because it means like sweet stuff.
I've been told no sweet stuff is. What is it? Venda.
Let's don't want. Like say you don't want something.
Venda. What?
Like.
Say it again. Vela. Venda.
Yeah.
Venda what?
I don't
Say it again. No sugar. I'm just trying to understand what you're saying.
There's no.
What is no sugar in Malayalam? Madre. What? Madre Vela. Yeah, yes. You understand? Madre Vela. We did it. Sorry, I spoke to you a bit sternly there. I was getting a bit impatient. Yeah, you'll be famous. Okay, I'm gonna. What's your name again? Shekhina is going to translate to me for this gentleman here. And he's from the local bike shop. We know the bike shop. We just filmed it outside, so we know where it is. He's the guy that does all the deals. What I want to know is, if we buy a bike, if we buy a small bike, can we sell it back to you in 1 year's time and sell it back because we're leaving, going back to England? Ask that. Translate.
I can't do that.
Understand your language.
You understand? So no pressure.
ഞാൻ പറയാം ഒരു സെക്കൻഡ് നമ്മളിവിടെ റിട്ടേൺ എടുക്കുന്നില്ല. ഐ എം നോട്ട് റിട്ടേൺ ഇൻ സെക്കൻഡ് ഓക്കെ
You're not returning.
റിട്ടേണിങ് സെക്കൻഡ് ആൻഡ് ഓൾ സൈക്കിൾ ഓക്കെ യു നോ.
Oh, so we cannot sell it back to you? No?
No.
No, okay, we cannot do that. Okay, that's no problem. Thank you anyway. So Shekhina is singing in the shop, and this guy really likes the singing. Sorry, Shayanna was singing in the shop, and that man likes your singing. What happened?
It's a buying and selling app.
Okay, Olex.
OLX.
Okay, yeah. Okay, looks like we have to buy the bike and then sell it on OLX, it sounds like. Okay, looks like the bike's done, guys, is it? Have another look at all this stuff here, all the pieces here. So he literally just sits there and takes what he needs out of this big pile of... There's like structure in the chaos. It's like typical India. Within what looks like chaos, there is actual structure. And that's a philosophical thing. Even with the traffic looks chaotic, but there is a system in the chaos. That's a big lesson. And what comes out of it is a bike that works, and that pedals, and that has tires with full air in them. That's the whole point.